Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to boost your productivity and streamline your workflow, today's video is going to be a game changer. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to install Asana in 2025, then whether you want the desktop app or the quick access Chrome extension. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share a tip to make Asana even faster to access. Let's dive right in. Method 1, installing the Asana desktop app. First, open up your web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whichever you prefer, and head over to asana.com. On the homepage, look for the download option for the Asana application. Here you'll see versions for Windows, Mac, iPhone, and iPad. Select the one that matches your device. Once you click download, make sure your device has enough storage and meets the system requirements. When the download finishes, simply open the file and follow the on-screen instructions. The installation process is straightforward and should only take a few clicks. After that, you'll have the Asana desktop app ready to go directly from your computer. Method 2, installing the Asana Chrome extension. Now, if you prefer using Asana inside your browser, this method is for you. Open Google Chrome, click the apps icon in the top right, and go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for Asana extension. Once you find it, click Add to Chrome. A pop-up will appear and confirm by selecting Add Extension. Here's a quick pro tip to keep Asana handy. Click the puzzle piece icon in the top bar, find Asana, and pin it. That way, it's always just one click away while you're browsing. Bonus tip, desktop shortcut. For even quicker access, you can create a desktop shortcut for Asana. This way, you don't even need to open your browser to get started. Whether you choose the full desktop application or the Chrome extension, installing Asana is quick, simple, and guaranteed to improve your team collaboration and project management workflow. And that's it, your complete 2025 guide to installing Asana. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and drop a comment below if you want me to cover other productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.